Today we are doing some of our routine maintenance on our hypoxia monitoring gear at Apache Pier. We have been monitoring this low oxygen for over a decade at this location. Year-round, every 15 minutes, the instruments take readings. Coastal has its own site that displays the data in real time for anyone to look up.
It's very important that we come out here and do routine cleanings, because if not, then we would not have data that we could rely on.
It takes a lot of work to keep this equipment going.
Coastal professor Susan Libes was the first to discover seasonal hypoxia, or low oxygen, in nearshore water back in 2004. She collected data after fishermen reported strange behavior among flounder,
which was very low oxygen in the bottom waters where flounder naturally live. It was quite shocking at the time to find out oxygen could be so low off of a sandy beach. This really is very rare, what we have here. Every summer, we do have low oxygen conditions. Temperatures are high, biology goes faster, and you've got the perfect situation for creating low oxygen conditions.
It is naturally occurring, but there can also be human influence as well.
So the big question that's very difficult to answer is, what can we do about this?
Climate change has the potential to make the situation worse.
With water levels rising and temperatures increasing, it's easier to develop these hypoxia conditions.
This is my first summer here actually doing this project, so it's going to be very interesting for me to see just how low the oxygen does get.
Plenty of people are interested in the data collected here.
It's very useful to a lot of different people. See the readings live.
Fishermen know when to not bother go fishing, and that's when the oxygen is very low.
I'm very thankful that I'm able to help out with this project, just because I do feel like I'm making a difference out here.
A key feature for CCU is that undergrads and graduate students are deeply involved.
They're actually getting out, getting their hands on instrumentation.
I'd definitely learn a lot more out here, rather than just reading it all in a book or all on the internet.
It doesn't get any better than this for student engagement.